Facility, massive overhead cranes precisely maneuver the lightweight yet incredibly strong.
The resistance on Unit 7 is drifting slightly past the tolerance.
Rework needed here, and the red highlights indicate subsurface anomalies.
Confirmed. Adjusting parameters for the next batch.
The pressure recovery looks stable through the curve.
Yes, the boundary layer is holding tight. We can increase the angle of attack by 2 degrees.
The synchronized robotic arms apply an ultra-fine mist, creating a flawless mirror finish.
Look at the micro deflection at point C. It's holding past the projected limit.
The strain gauges are peaking. We're almost there.
The carbon weave is holding up better than expected in the rapid transition.
Agreed. The structural integrity remains high despite the repeated shock.
The structural foam resin expands gently inside the transparent chambers as sensors track the distribution in real time. Using surgical precision, the robotic arms apply the specialized adhesive, ensuring a perfect seal for the carbon roof.
Check the trailing edge deviation on section 4.
Rerunning the analysis now. Looks stable. Confirm pass. The long aerodynamic panels slide beneath the chassis, guided by robots, while workers secure the locking clips at measured intervals.
Found a subsurface inclusion here, marking with yellow tape.
Acknowledged. Log the coordinates.
Check the tension on the Z-axis feed.
It's holding steady at 99.8% efficiency.
This batch is clear. Confirmed. Ready for stacking.
Utilizing advanced ultrasound technology, the robotic sensors detect even the slightest anomalies in the composite structure.
In this state-of-the-art facility, massive overhead cranes precisely maneuver the lightweight yet incredibly strong.
The resistance on Unit 7 is drifting slightly past the tolerance.
Yes, I see that. Let's flag it for recalibration after the cycle completes.
The red line shows a fluctuation right at the 1500 cycle mark.
The torque held, but the strain peaked early.
Utilizing ultrafine mist sprayers, the nanocoating adheres to the carbon surfaces. Under the UV lights, the sparkling particles...
The oscillation is causing unexpected harmonics at this frequency.
I see it. I'm adjusting the dampening parameters now.
The depth on channel 4 is perfect.
Agreed. The robotic calibration is spot on.
This massive distribution hub utilizes electric forklifts, autonomous and